Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Continuation with a series about Excel. Today I will share to you one exercise with a request about calculating quantity over time interval. Exactly, we will find the disbursement date when the customer reached $8,000 or more within 30 days. After finish, you will have a table result like this with result in the E column with the date reached to $8,000 or more. The cell will display OK. Now I will show you how I can display result like this. OK. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have this table. With this request, I will use Sumifs formula to find result. In this cell, you put equal Sumifs open parenthesis. Sum rank, this rank. You press F4 to lock, comma, criteria rank 1. In name, you press F4 to lock, criteria 1, A2, don't need to lock, comma, criteria 2 is this rank. You press F4 to lock, comma, double quotation mark, less than or equal, double quotation mark, ampersand, C2, comma, criteria rank 3, also is the press F4, comma, double quotation mark, more than or equal, ampersand, open parenthesis, C2 minus 30, it means 30 days, close parenthesis, more than 8,000, will display true. You press enter and you see 4. Now you copy formula to below and you see now it's only display 4 or 2, right? Now I will input if this local test, okay, I put on in parenthesis, multiply 1. It means I will change from true or false to 1 or 0. Equal 1 is mean 2. It will display OK. So it means the other is 0. It will display not yet. OK and not yet. You input in double quotation mark, close parenthesis, press enter. Copy formula to below. And you see now I display result and table is before. Okay. You can check by manual in this day. Amount reached to 8,000 or more. Okay. So I already use Sumifs quick high level. You can refer my video to improve the knowledge about Sumifs. So I already finished the disbursement test when the customer reached $8,000 or more within 30 days. You can do by yourself first and watch my video to compare. Okay, if you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.